I love getting new running shoes, so exciting. All right, let's check these out. First time seeing my new Hoka running shoes. Let's do it together. Ooh, very beautiful. It's a nice light gray color with pink writing Hoka with blue and yellow design. First time wearing my new Hoka Clifton 9 runners. They feel wonderful. There's so much cushioning, so much support. I love these runners. So these will now become my indoor workout runners, and I'll graduate another pair to my outdoor. I'll test these out in some upcoming workouts and give you more of a review, but so far I love them, super happy. Just want to keep them clean for a little while. Thank you, Hoka, for making such wonderful shoes. All right, I just finished my first standing workout with my new Clifton 9 running shoes, and I am as happy with them, 10 out of 10, as I thought I would be. You never know from year to year, even if you get the same running shoes, if there's going to be slight changes that maybe won't work as well, but these are working great for me. Super happy. Reminder that although it's great to find out what brand, what model of running shoe other people recommend that works for them, that running shoes are very individual. We all have different needs, different feet, different past injuries. And so when you go to buy your running shoes, try on a few pairs, go to a store that has knowledgeable staff. Often a running store will give you really good service. That's just a generalization. You don't have to be a runner to go to a running store and buy some great shoes. You might be using your runners solely for indoor workouts, but you're still gonna get usually really great advice from a running store. And then go with an open mind to try on maybe 3 or 4 different pairs once you've described what you're using them for, what issues you have with your feet, and go with the pair that works for you. Hoka is a wonderful brand. They make runners that have cushioning and support. None of this is sponsored. This is just my opinion. But there are also other great brands, great running shoes out there, of course. So I wish you well on your journey of running shoe shopping, running shoe use. Comment below, let me know what shoes you're wearing for your workouts, for outdoor activities, what works for you. Are you thinking of sticking with that or changing? I love to hear your comments, and thank you for listening to me on this unboxing my Hoka Clifton 9s. Thanks for being here, and have an amazing rest of your day.